Thank you so much for returning to my YouTube channel. My name is Bonalyn Naipo. If you went ahead and saw the thumbnail and the title, this girl found more earrings on eBay. And I am very excited because they're actually in silver. Let me take it off. I got a much larger one, but in a similar design. So depending on how bold you want to be, if you want something a little longer, which of course I have short hair, so anything stands out if I actually have short hair. So we got the longer one, and then same or similar design in the shorter one. So I wanted to do that. Put on the longer one and stop talking. Ooh, I like this one. This kind of stands out, the off the shoulder top. This one, I can't remember where I got the top from. Everybody was asking me, girl, where are you getting all those tops from? But I think I wore it actually in another video. I can't remember. I've had this like for a while, so I'm sure it's already sold out. Love the long one. We're gonna take up this side and then put on another one so we can multitask. Tropical. Ooh, yes. Taking up the bigger side. Try not to talk a lot because it's less editing when you're not talking as much. Right? Here we got the Wondershare silver. Ooh. Don't mind to be, I'm not used to being so close to the camera like this, but that was the only way I was able to get it to focus without getting blurry. Cute monstera leaf. And you know this girl had to buy more than one, so we always have a backup. Put that one on the side. Take them off, stop talking, and stop chattering. Okay, we got this one. Ooh, looks shiny like a little diamond because it's got a lot of diamond cuts in it. Same vendor as this one, but more like in a clover design. I'm gonna hold it a little further back because it's so bling, 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 bling. Because now the sun comes out. Rain, sun, rain, sun. Ooh, like that one. I think I might have another design where it's two-toned. I have to look for it. Ooh, pretty. Love that one. If you like to be a little bit more conservative. Okay, we're back. Actually got interrupted by a phone call. Ooh, love that one. And you know me, just in case, we always have another pair. So we have another pair right here for this design. Love it. I'm more looking in the monitor because I want to make sure that I'm in focus. I was blurry earlier. Only second time filming this, so I get to see what the earrings look like 2 times. I think that one is a nice length, kind of conservative. You could probably wear it like with jeans and a t-shirt if you wanted to. Okay. Let's see. This one I want to say is in a, I don't want to say turquoise, but I can't figure out what you would call that. Let me know what you think that gemstone might be. It had a hook, but you know what I did? I took it off and I put silver lever backs. So when it's dangling and stuff, it won't go flying off of my ear. One side. Ooh, look at a bit of color. What do you think? So this is a closer look of the earring. Let me know what you think about that one. Ooh, and it dangles perfectly. Love it. Yes, I sound like a cricket. You know, I had a subscriber that told me every time I make this sound, kind of reminds her of a lizard or a gecko. That makes it sound like a lizard. Or chameleon. We have Jackson chameleons over here. Not running around in the house, thank God. They're running around outside in the yard. So for those of you who love making your own jewelry, you can either leave it with the hook or change it out. Ooh, love. Wore this one like with a pair of jeans and a white top. Jim and I actually went out. And I had so many compliments on this one. You know, wear it like with a, I mean like with this silver top, it looks really nice. But, you know, with a crisp white t-shirt and a pair of jeans and heels, this t-shirt, I mean this earring goes really well. So we're gonna take this one off. Only have one of this one. Voila! last one. My favorite. I also have to say this as last because it has bling on it. Has a crystal down the bottom. This one I have to go ahead and bid for it because they only had one. So I'm gonna go back to the vendor and see if he went ahead and restock, because you're able to go ahead and send him a message on eBay. So I told him when he gets a chance to restock, let me know, because if he has it, I think he has it like in a gold tone, and then this one is more like in a silver tone. So there's one big stone at the bottom and then smaller ones here up at the top, but I just love it. I want more. In fact, if he had like pink, red, yellow, green, I would just say like, give me 3 of each. Yeah, so I think I'm just gonna keep these on. But I had a lot of fun actually shopping on eBay for more affordable options. So if you like shopping on eBay, let me know by leaving your comment down in the comment section, letting me know what kind of vendor you go ahead and use, or what kind of earrings you actually found. I think there's a lot of things that a lot of people like to go ahead and sell on eBay. So I hope that you had as much fun as I did, as I was able to go ahead and share with you a few earrings that I actually found on eBay. So my name is Bonalyn Naipo. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and do so, darling, by clicking on that subscribe button. But until next time, I'll see you guys in my next video. Aloha. Bye-bye.